Alright, here we go with more testing. Here we're testing the SENHEISER with the volume set at 17. The volume is set at 17. The transmitter is set on high. Just want to see what that sounds. We have the volume set at 9. The volume set at 9. The volume set at 9. The transmitter is set on high. We're finna change it now. The volume on the transmitter is set to medium, and the volume on the receiver is set at 15. The volume on the receiver is set at 15, which is Kenneth's settings. Switching over. Okay, this is decided upon settings for the pop voice, which is the transmitter set on high and the pop voice set on 12. The transmitter is set on high and the pop voice is set on 12. This is the transmitter set on medium, and the pop this is the pop voice. The transmitter is on medium, and the receiver is still set on 12. I'm going to make one more adjustment here on the pop voice. Okay, so now this is the receiver set on 16 and the transmitter set on medium. I think I'm still on medium. Yeah, transmitter set on medium, and the receiver is set on 16 on the pop voice. Test over.